Thank you, Jessica. Okay, we are hoping to do the break at 10:30. Okay, a bit earlier. That's okay. Okay. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Really wonderful to see all of you here today at another edition of our Topan Aquarius seminar. We are really delighted that you can take time off. I know many of you are very busy, and you choose to spend the time here with us. We have put together very interesting presentations, exciting, engaging demonstrations, and we hope that you'll get value out of them today. The topic today is really about empowering modern applications as we move from our traditional method of developing applications to more advanced digital platforms. We hope to use that to build powerful applications for our customers. But as we shift from this journey into using more advanced platform, we are also facing challenges as well. And these are some of the things that we want to look at today and how we can address some of these challenges. And as you will see, we are not just going to give you presentations, but we're going to come with demos so that at the end of the day, you can have actually actionable knowledge that you can take with you later on today. Some of these challenges that you maybe also be very familiar because given your roles, you are also actively building and operating these applications. So the first challenge could be like the user feedback not reflected in the working system. Typically in the prototyping phase, users will provide their feedback, but this may be collated in different kind of mediums. It could be in meeting minutes, it could be in your email, it could be in your WhatsApp messages, and they may not be consolidated in one single place. So some of this feedback may ultimately not be incorporated back into the prototype, and then, of course, then not made it into the actual working system. So this is one of the challenges we typically face. And the next challenge could be that the application or the prototype that the UI and UX designer put together looks great, looks sleek, but when it goes into production, somehow it just behave and look differently. What could be the reason for this? Because the UI UX designer, they use a tool, maybe like Figma, and typically it's the software developer that convert the prototype and the design into working code, and they're using a different set of tools, like a typical IDE, like Visual Studio or Eclipse. And because they are using different tools, so you end up maybe not having the exact look and feel and behavior in the final working system. The next challenge is that the design that the UI UX designer come up with is actually not working code. So you need a software developer to convert the design into an actual working system. And that involves a lot of coding. And that sometimes the projects that we are engaging or working on have very short timeline. And under time pressure, sometimes the quality of the code may be affected. So, and all these challenges are some of the things that we face when we build applications. And my colleague Darren, which is our next speaker, will talk about these challenges and how our product Kaizen can be used and deployed to solve all these issues. And it's just not going to be a presentation. Our next speaker, our colleague Amanda, she will come up on stage and will show you in a real live demo how these challenges can be addressed. We are in the beginning stage of generative AI. You're going to see very interesting and powerful kind of problem statements. But we are also at the same time facing challenges in fully exploiting and harnessing the full power of generative AI. So our next speaker, Ernie, he will also come onto the stage. He will share with you some of his experience in generative AI, some of the problem statements that we are solving, and some of the use cases that you can think about. And then Amanda will, our demo queen, she'll come on stage again to show you how you can easily incorporate generative AI into our product. This will be actually a demo that requires your participation. So we will encourage you to participate fully in this demonstration. And the last challenge is that it's about limited visibility to application health. The apps that we built today is really very complex, especially when it's made up of many different microservices, and they are running all over the place. So if you do not have visibility or insights on how the applications is performing, the health of it, you may not be able to see that there are problems that's coming. And worse still, when the problems do occur, how do you then know where the problems are? Whether you can really pinpoint the problem quickly, address the problem, and so that the system can go back to its original state. So we have invited Wei Yang, with our project manager. He has a lot of experience in this area. So he will come on stage as well to share with you his experience in this area. And he also demonstrate to you how Kaizen has incorporated observability tools into the platform to give you visibility on how the application is performing. Okay, so before I hand it over to Darren, we'll talk about some of how Kaizen product can address some of the challenges I mentioned before. I wish that you have a good time this morning, and I look forward to having conversations with you on how to build much better digital applications. So thank you very much.